future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friend.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm gonna show you what I'm packing to go on a camping trip for the weekend. So just remember, this is my first time ever going camping. So I'm gonna show you guys what I packed. If I missed out anything, please let me know down below so I can know for next time. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so here I got some things laid out on the table. I'm not sure. So let's just go through it. I have my little shower spongy things. I have this for the shower in this little bag. I have like deodorant, face stuff, face cleanser, toothbrush, toothpaste, and all that good stuff. And the same up in here. Combs. Here I got some things for my camera. Oh, and this little thing right here, I just got off of Amazon. I'm a chicken. So this little lock thing, you put it on your door for extra security. So I got that. I have pepper spray, flashlight. I have my chargers and all of that stuff. This here I got off of Amazon. Let's see. I'm using one hand here. Wow, I had a rough time opening this thing. But anyway, I just got this, so as you can tell, I haven't even used it. I got this a couple of months ago. It has like a knife in here. It has like a strap. And it has some other stuff in there. And I also have a first aid bag. Let's open this up. Got a whole bunch of first aid supplies up in here. I got this off of Amazon too. This little bag got a lot of stuff up in here. See that? There we go. It's got a lot of stuff. Gloves, all of that, band-aids, all the different sizes. And I also got this emergency blanket. I got a scarf. And here is my little bag I have. I got some underclothes there. I'm just taking an outfit with an extra shirt. And here we have pillows. I have a blanket, paper towel, tissue, towels, and pillowcases. And this is my husband's stuff. So guys, that's all we're taking just for a weekend to go camping in a cabin. So guys, let me know down below if I missed anything. So let's roll.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. Good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna...
Alright guys, so we made it here in the cabin. It took us forever to find this cabin. I can't wait till tomorrow to get here to see what it looked like. But I'm gonna take you guys on the tour on the inside. And tomorrow I will take you guys outside of the cabin to take a, to see what it's like. For those of you that never been here. So yeah, let me just show you. So here's the door we came in. this is the door.
There's no key.
I see. That's why I bought one of those things to put on here. To, Okay, so when you first come in, they got all the safety stuff here. We're gonna let down all of the blinds.
Where's the thermostat? Because it's kind of chilly.
Let's see. That goes the smoke detector. We're gonna let down these blinds too. Make sure, you know me, I have to make sure everything is, I don't know what number my brother and them have. This heater is controlled by a thermostat on the other wall.
Thank you.
Okay, so this right here is the kitchen. Well, we gotta wipe that table too. It came with refrigerator.
Oh, God, it's sticky.
So we're gonna wipe it down. And it comes with a microwave. And there are the bunk beds. And then this is the closet. So that's what it looked like. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So that's the ceiling up there. Make sure there's no snakes around here like creeping in the corners and stuff. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get situated and look like they could do better on the floor.
Can you lift the blinds up so I can see?
Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and what is this? Hold up. What is that? I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna find out. Make sure that's not a one-way mirror. I'm not sure what that is, but we'll figure it out. All right, guys, I'm just sitting here. I don't know what to do. What do you do when you go camping? I am so lost. Oh my God, I'm lost.
Did I lose my other glove?
I saw it somewhere. I might have put it in the bag over there. So we in this bunk bed. I'm like, thank God we have a little bit of Wi-Fi. But what do you do? I don't know. I can't right now say if I will come back camping, but I don't know if camping is my cup of tea. So we're gonna see how this gonna work. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. Do you play games? What do you do when you camp?
Babe, I lost my glove.
We'll find it. It might be outside. Or you might have left it at home.
I should have brought. No, I brought him with me.
So the bathroom and the showers are in a totally different location.
On the other side of the world.
I'm going to take you guys around tomorrow and show you a lot of things. Because tomorrow is our last day here. We only here for 2 days. 2 nights, 3 days. So, yeah. So I guess I just look at me some YouTube. We just pacing around here trying to figure out. We trying to figure out what can we do to pass time. You know? The people next to us, they outside talking with the firewood. Maybe we could do that tomorrow night since, you know.
We didn't bring no firewood.
So guys, let me know down below what are some if I do decide to come back camping. Give me some ideas on what can we do. I mean, what is it to do when you camp? When you're here at nighttime, and do you just go outside? I'm scared of snakes. I'm terrified of snakes, so I won't be going outside at night.
I gotta find my glove.
Maybe play some games or just look at movies,
Lock the door.
just unlock it. We'll go back on there. So let me show you guys something, what I did. This is how paranoid I am. I'm so paranoid. Turn the light on. Let me show you guys what I did. So I bought one of these right here things. So, see, you cannot even, these things work. You can't even get in. I'm just that paranoid. I just unhook this like so. Then just, oops. I gotta get it out of there. Open the door, boy. Yeah, just pull it up and then, wait a minute, wait. Yeah, that right there comes out. There you go. At least I know that works, right?
Where's your flashlight?
Here. I'm prepared. I came prepared with stuff like that.
My flashlight.
And so we was like, I was in the car talking to my brother, and I happened to look down. I was in my car now. I didn't even get out the car. Did I get out the car? I don't even think if I did get out the car, I got out to look at the map because we had a hard time trying to find this cabin here. Oh my God, there was a big spider on my leg. I had a fit. My brother, I started screaming and my brother was like, girl, what's wrong with you? They were like a spider. Yeah. Your girl is terrified of bugs. I just don't do well with them. So this is one thing that was on my bucket list, is to go camping. So I can mark this one off. Because, I don't know. We'll see how things go. Oh, I forgot to look up under the bed. Hold up. Make sure ain't no snake up under there. Okay. No snake. But this bed look like it's going to be okay. I think it'll be okay. We'll see. I may have a hard time trying to sleep. You guys know how it is. What do you do? Lock yourself out? Hello.
Yeah, the door.
Welcome to my crib. Welcome to the crib.
I lost it, love.
You didn't, boo. We'll find it.
I'm telling you. Go ahead.
So. Okay, here, hold the camera so I can lock the door back. So you just open the door and you put it in there like that. So close it, lock it. You put it on the first one like so, like that, and you just push it down. And it's locked. That thing keep locking it. Yeah.
You know I kicked that door.
Yeah, that is not to prevent. That is just to prevent. Make it harder for someone to come in where you could have a chance to get your weapon or whatever. That's all. It's not gonna keep them out.
We'll keep the mace close to us.
Just put it on the mattress, cause you know you'll wake up like, where is it? Oh, I got knives too in my bag. He got 2 knives.
I'm ready. I'm a city boy. I am not used to this at all. Not one bit.
Well, I'm a city girl, but hey, it's just stepping out of your comfort zone.
You and your brothers have camped before.
No, I ain't never been camping. They've been camping. This is my first time.
This is my very first time.
This is my very first time.
When we out in the woods and it's nothing but deers and predators and whatever the creatures, whatever raccoons or whatever.
He'll get used to it. It's about venturing out, enjoying life, and, you know, we'll see how things go. Just trying to, you know, maybe I should have brought the TV like I said in the first place.
What, the little TV?
Yeah, down in the basement. Yeah, to look at TV.
Oh, we could just use the...
Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to lay here and look at some YouTube and wait for my brother now. They'll be here late.
Crap, we didn't get no mayonnaise.
I thought you knew that. Well, I think they got a store up there that you could buy stuff.
You just said they closed at 7.
No, I'm talking about on here. The store. They have a store that you could go and buy stuff. At least that's what I read. I did my research before I came out here. That's how I knew we needed pillows, sheets, stove, all of that stuff. But anyway, guys, so I'll come back and take you guys around because we're going to do some walking tomorrow to see what's all out here. All right, just keep watching. Good morning, guys. So, yes, I survived last night. I was able to finally fall asleep. So, yeah, so now I'm just up, getting ready to eat breakfast, get me some coffee, and do a little bit of sightseeing. So this is what it looked like out in front of my cabinet. So when you come out, you have the front door. We have that. There's a lot of people out and about. It's a little chilly today, but you know, you got stuff all around. Over there is the bathroom. I'm gonna take you guys after I finish eating to go here. That's the where you take a shower and go to the restroom. Later on, I'll take you guys over there. So we are off season, so the park is really closed except if you have a cabin. And yeah, so this is just around the back of the house or the cabin. My brother, his cabin is down up in there, and I'm gonna take you guys to his too. So we're gonna walk down here to my brother's cabin. His cabin is actually on the lake. Oh wow, he got a nice looking cabin out here on the lake. We probably should have traded. And this is his back door. Look at that. He got a nice little view here. I like his little view. What's up?
Put on my pants, I saw you filming. I was like, oh.
I'm not gonna film you. We're finna get ready to run to the store. And then we're gonna
Alex Bay?
right up here at the surf station.
Oh.
And then we're gonna just sightsee around here.
You're not caught? Well,
How you like you better go get your keys before 3.
I was just wondering how long. You going now? I was just wondering how long
Oh, you got curtains.
Yeah, you have curtains too.
No, we don't.
We have blinds.
Oh, I'd rather have one.
You don't mind if I film it here, do you? Okay. This is my brother's cabin. He got curtains. We have blinds. It look nice in here, Cyrus.
Yeah, it's not bad. I have to do some cleaning.
Yeah, this is nice.
Oh my God, you got a huge heater.
Oh, he sure do. This one probably more of the older cabins then. Cause even the floor is different.
Because look at the refrigerator, it's all rusted.
Oh yeah. But I like it.
I see what you mean when the handles are missing.
Yeah.
He even got a coat. He even got a coat rack.
I have 2 coat racks.
We don't have a coat rack.
Yeah, that's not hanging my stuff. But look at the mattresses. No,
Let me
that's.
see.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
That's jailhouse mattresses.
Oh yeah, these old mattresses.
These are jailhouse mattresses.
See that? How, like, somebody. That's body oils and whatnot from getting in and out of it over time.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Oh,
this
look at
one,
this. This is modern. Oh, this where you slept at up here?
Yeah. This one is a newer mattress.
Oh yeah, that's like ours.
And I cleaned
You should
it.
take, if you don't want to go up there, you should take that mattress and put it down here.
I thought about that. I
Yeah.
was too tired last night to do that.
Cyrus, I like this one. It's so cozy in here.
I try my best.
It is. It is so cozy.
It is cozy.
I like this. You got a mic? Yeah, you got a microwave.
No.
This is nice, Cyrus.
This was a good idea.
Oh, the
Yeah.
coffee.
No.
Oh, the soup. Oh, yeah. I like your view.
Oh,
Yeah, the view cannot be beat. I love the view.
Yeah. Especially, just think about it in the summertime, Cyrus.
Yeah. And it's not too bad now. Like, I need to put on more clothes.
Yeah.
But I can still sit out there, do some work on my computer.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go into the restroom here. So this is where we take a shower and, you know, use the restroom. Because as you guys know, in the cabins, there's no shower, no bathroom, no any of that. So this is where I took a shower at this morning. And there go the shower. Not bad. And these are the stalls. There's only 2. So yeah, this is the bathroom. All right. Smile, you on camera. What's the matter? You think somebody kidnapped me?
You got the key?
Yes. Why? Oh, Cyrus coming?
I haven't seen him. You said he was, right?
Yeah. My stomach not feeling good.
Probably because we're not eating right.
I know, right? Because normally I don't eat those little chocolate things, and I had chocolate cake, and it probably just upset my stomach. Everybody's sitting outside. It's not bad out. Ooh, I think I'm gonna take a picture right there on that hill. Right there.
Are you gonna walk up there?
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets, and yesterday has gone to sleep. So all that's left is you and me. I can't promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream. Quiet voices in the night, and time is running out of sight. A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk.
Okay, we're gonna show you. There go some people right there. You lock your door. We're gonna show you guys. Oh gosh, I am dark. So we out here at the boat dock. The boat dock, and you know this is off season, so it's really nothing here to see. It's really nothing to see, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. And why I'm doing this is because, like I said earlier, I got on the internet, tried to find videos and stuff about this place, and I really didn't find any. I think I only found one, and it didn't really show anything. So I said when we come out here, I'm definitely gonna film so people could see what this place looked like. Watch out for this poop all over the place. That or dogs. So that's what the boat dock looked like. Oh, they got this building boarded up, I guess, for the summer. I mean, winter, for off season. A lot of mess out here. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. There's no boats because we are off season. The water's not deep unless there's mud. Nah, the water's not deep because I could see the bottom way out there. Wonder what that part is for. Oh, it's getting deeper and deeper right here. I know they got an island. There's like a island out there. I saw it. I think there's cabins out there too. At least it looked like it was. White chocolate on it poop. So guys, we are in Alexandria Bay. I'm just bringing you guys, just showing you a little bit, a little bit of something. We're going back to the campground. We just came here to pick up my niece and my 2 nephews, and we're going back to the camp. So, I'm just being nice. Just want to show you guys if you've never been to Alexandria. The Dancing Doll. This is Alexandria Bay. There's a hotel over here. Oh, that over there? Maybe. It's a lot of marine life and stuff. Look at that.
Big old Catholic church.
Yeah. Maybe that's the hotel over there. I bet you they got some good old crawfish somewhere.
Fish fry.
Yup, Fish Fry Resort Hotel. Nice. Resort and Marina. Oh, River Edge. Yep, that's where they at. I guess. Oh, no, they're not. Oh. Bonnie Castle? How did they find this hotel? Oh, and Andrea probably found it. Everywhere you look, there's boats.
Boats, and more boats.
I guess these boats are for sale.
No, they're putting them up for the winter. This is like, this is where they dock them. See how they got their names on the back of them?
Yeah.
See,
Wow.
They're docking them.
Just think, I almost bought a boat back here years ago. I should have. I went to go look at it and everything. How did they find this? Okay. Oh, there's a lot of hotels. All right, so we're here at the hotel to pick them up.
Yeah, I feel much better now.
And we're just gonna take you guys for a little stroll in here. Is this the way, Cyrus?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so I'm gonna go in here.
I don't wanna be mad, but where are you? I've been calling and texting all afternoon. Now didn't we say 1 o'clock?
I'm gonna show you guys some more cabins. These cabins are on the lake. Next time if I come back to do cabins, I would definitely do the ones on the lake. All right, boo. Those are really nice. So.
Try to remember number 2 and 3.
Yeah.
You can see if those are open next time.
Okay. So guys, this is one of the cottages out here. You got your porch. Go into here. Oh wow. This is nice. You got your little wood fireplace. Wow. Got your kitchen. Look at that.
Oh, no. Yeah, I would never do that. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. This is nice.
Oh, my goodness.
You even have rooms down here with the twin bed. Then you got your shower with your bathroom. This is nice. So this is what we're gonna rent when we come back. This is your master bedroom. Closet there and another bedroom. This is nice. Doing this all for you guys. Because when I was doing my research, I couldn't find no videos of any of this. With the refrigerator, all of that. Nice.
How's the rooms?
Nice. This is really, really nice. And then you got your lakefront out there and over there. Very nice. This is the beach. Just wanted to show you guys. You guys know. So, ooh. They already been out here, look like to clean it for the season. But yeah, just give you guys a quick 360. And over there is the park. Over there is the store, which they are closed due to off season.
Stood up on our first date. I can hardly choose to believe you're on your way. You're just running a little late. A little late. Running a little late. Running a little late. You're just running a little.
So I think this area is for like I don't know if it's for campers, like people that have like the mobile homes or people that like camp in tents. But like I said in my previous video, right now it's off season, so that's why you don't see anybody. Yeah, I think this is the area for tents. Because I think it's too narrow and too small for big campers to come down through here. So, oh, this is beautiful. There go the trail that you can walk the trail on. It's too cold to be walking the trail. It is, for me anyway. So that over there is for like trailers.
Feels right. Why should that razor flag turn on a red light? I'm not gonna make excuses for being mean. No, I'm gonna wait in this coffee shop. On the corner of Berry Street. I'll wait until the sun goes down and the music stops. On the corner of Berry
we're on our way home. I had a good time in the cabin. What about you, Bo? Did you have a good time?
I enjoyed everything but the lack of running water. But I enjoyed
He
everything.
enjoyed everything but the lack of running water and toilets. But like I keep trying to tell him, the cabins are more like
Continue until I-81.
the cabins are more like for people that want to go camping, but they don't want to stay like in a tent.
In 1 mile, continue until
So that was-
I-81 south.
So that's my GPS you guys hear in the background. So my thing is, I wanted to always try camping, but because I'm so terrified of snakes and bugs, I did not want to stay in a tent. So I told my brother if we could stay in a cabin, I would go camping. And so that's what we did. My brother was like, okay, I'm gonna make this happen for you. So he booked us 2 cabins at Wellesley Wellesley Island State Park. So we stayed there for Friday, Saturday, and today we're leaving. I had a good time. I mean, although it wasn't no running water or a toilet, but the bathroom was right next to our cabin. So we had to go there, wash our hands, take a shower, use the bathroom. No big deal for me, because you put it like this. If you're standing outside in a tent, you still don't have running water and you don't have a bathroom. You have to use the toilet out in the woods. So which one would you take? Let me know down below. The tent or a cabin? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And like I said, I hope it can help some of you that's looking online or YouTube to try to find some pictures or videos of the campsite. So I hope this really helped. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And as always, I love you guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So